Welcome back! This video is brought to you by Forge College. Today, we're diving into our lesson on delivering a market-ready dApp with optimized interactions. In our previous lesson on deployment, release management, and documentation, we mapped out how to package your code safely. Now, we've arrived at the Capstone module, actually taking your Solana decentralized application, or dApp, and seamlessly integrating it into a live marketplace. Think of your completed codebase like a fully stocked, perfectly prepped food truck. Up until now, it's been sitting safely in your private garage. Final assembly is the process of lowering that pristine truck right into the middle of a massive, bustling indoor food hall. Getting the recipes right is only half the job. The real test comes when 100 hungry people rush the window at exactly noon. If your checkout screen freezes or your cooks keep bumping into each other, the quality of the food doesn't matter. The system breaks. Final assembly is your ultimate dress rehearsal. It is the specific step where we stress test your operations to prove that your application can survive the scale and chaos of a real-world marketplace. We start this dress rehearsal by pulling everything, all your code, artifacts, and logic handlers, into a single clean release branch. This ensures we are testing the exact version of the app that will go live. Next, we review your transaction templates. In our food truck, these are the standardized prep routines. It's the exact, predictable sequence of steps a chef takes to assemble a meal from start to finish. Let's look at this diagram to see why these routines need a review. On the left, we see an unoptimized process. It's the equivalent of a chef walking back and forth across the kitchen 10 separate times to grab lettuce, then a patty, then a bun for a single order. That wastes an incredible amount of time and energy. We fix this with a technique called batching, which you see happening as the diagram merges into a clean line on the right. Batching allows us to group multiple instructions into a single transaction. Instead of making 10 trips for one burger, the chef gathers all the ingredients for 5 orders in one efficient trip. On the Solana network, we measure that saved energy in compute units. Every unnecessary step costs compute units, and by batching, we keep that cost as low as possible. Once we reorganize these steps, we run a quick smoke test. We push a single order through the new system just to make absolutely sure the faster process still produces the exact same correct final product. Trimming these compute units is a mandatory survival tactic. If your application demands too much energy to process a simple action, the marketplace will simply reject it. With the kitchen routines running smoothly, we have to prepare the physical environment for opening day. We do this using a deployment script. Think of this as an automated set of instructions that configures the marketplace environment from a completely blank slate, much like a robotic arm perfectly setting up the truck's awning, grills, and napkins before the staff even arrives. Writing these scripts out is required. When you are rushing to launch, human memory will fail. A script perfectly reproduces the exact setup every single time, ensuring you never accidentally leave a critical setting turned off. Now that the truck is open, we run a telemetry demo. This is a simulated rush hour where we hit the integrated app with heavy traffic to measure exactly how it performs under pressure. Let's check the core metrics on this performance dashboard. The first gauge is latency. This measures exactly how fast a user gets a confirmed response after they click a button. For a smooth experience, our target is to keep latency firmly under 800 milliseconds. The next gauge measures throughput. This tracks the total volume of traffic the system can process at once, measured in transactions per second, or TPS. To survive a marketplace rush, we need this needle to rise and stay safely above 50 transactions per second. Finally, we watch the failure rate indicator. As traffic spikes, it's completely normal for a network to hiccup, but this flat line proves that those temporary drops don't result in permanent failures or lost data. By pairing a perfectly repeatable deployment script with strict performance tracking, we take a fragile piece of software and harden it into a reliable system ready for live customers. Even with the best preparation, we have to plan for the worst-case scenario, a sudden, critical failure right in the middle of your biggest transaction rush. This is why you must have a rollback plan. If something goes wrong, you need a documented, tested procedure, an emergency lever to immediately revert the system back to a safe, stable state without losing user funds or corrupting your data. And that brings us to your final Capstone delivery package. You are combining deployment scripts, highly optimized transaction templates, and a detailed case study document that clearly lays out your performance test results. Submitting this completed package proves that your dApp works in a live environment. It shows that your code can reliably handle real users and real transactions. In our next lesson, Web 2 Architecture Fundamentals, we will take the exact integration patterns you finalized here and map them onto traditional web tools like load balancers and API gateways. This educational video was created by Forge College. To master these final assembly skills and explore more Web3 topics, visit us online at